In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an invoice using online tools. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just need to send a quick invoice, this guide will make the process straightforward and efficient. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a professional invoice with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to Canva. Canva is a fantastic online platform for creating a wide variety of documents and graphics, including invoices. Once you're on their homepage, you'll need to navigate to the search bar. Here, type in Invoice to pull up a selection of invoice templates. Canva offers a wide array of templates, so take your time to browse through them and find one that suits your style and needs. Keep in mind the specificity of your branding or the type of industry you are in, as some designs may resonate better with your clients than others. Once you have found a template that catches your eye, click on it. This will open the template in a new window where you can begin customizing it. You'll see an option to customize this template. Go ahead and select that and it will take you to the editor where the magic happens. Now that you're in the editor, you can start tailoring the invoice to fit your exact needs. Begin by editing the text fields, replace the placeholder text with your business name, your client's information, and any other details pertinent to the invoice, such as item descriptions, amounts, and invoice numbers. Make sure to double check the details for accuracy, as having the correct information is crucial for both record keeping and maintaining professionalism. You can also adjust the font and colors to match your business branding, giving your invoice a more cohesive and personalized look. Additionally, if you have a logo, you can easily incorporate it into the design to enhance brand recognition. Canva allows you to upload your logo and place it wherever you see fit on the invoice. Play around with the layout until you're satisfied with how everything looks. Remember, a neat and clear invoice not only looks professional, but also makes it easier for your clients to understand the provided services or goods and the associated costs. Once you've finished customizing the invoice, you can download it in your desired format. Canva typically offers options like PDF or PNG, which are the most common formats for invoices. Select the format that best suits your need, then download the invoice to your computer. Finally, send your invoice to your client. You can attach it to an email or use any method you prefer for distribution. And that's it, you have successfully created a professional invoice. With these tools, the process is simple, fast, and highly customizable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.